Hello, my name is Ryan Schott, and today I'll be teaching you about Lesson 7-2, multiplying radicals. Example 1, square root of 8y to the 5th times square root of 40y squared. First, you want to multiply these two equations. To multiply these two equations, you do 8 times 40, 320, then you do 5y to the 5th times y squared is y to the 7th. All underneath the square root. That is not you. After this, you want to simplify 320 into 64 and 5. And you want to simplify y to the 7th into y to the 6th and y. You simplify it into 64 y to the 6th because that is a perfect square, and you get 8y to the 3rd. That's what it simplifies to. You cannot simplify 5y any more than it already is, so you keep it, you just drop it down. And you get your final answer, which is 8y cubed square root 5y. It's your whole final answer. Next problem. After this, example 2, which is 5 square root 2x y to the 6th times 2 square root 2x to the 4th times y. You want to drop down the 5 and the 2 to get 10. After this, you go into the radicals and you get 2 times 2, which is 4. X times x to the 4th, which is x to the 5th. Y to the 6th times y, which is y to the 7th. Then after that, you want to simplify all of this. So to simplify this, you take you take 4, simplify it into 2 because the square root of 4 is 2. After this, you take x to the 4th out of this, which x to the 4th square root is x squared. Then you want to take y to the 6th out of this. Y to the 6th square root is y to the 3rd. And then you're left off, and all the stuff in the radical is an x and a y. So then you multiply 10 times 2 times x to the squared times y cubed times square root of xy, and your final answer is 20x squared y cubed square root of xy. Third and last problem, now we're going to use cubed roots. We're going to do cubed root of 3x squared times cube root of x squared times cube root of 9x cubed. You just drop down the other two, the first two problems, and then you're going to simplify the last radical into 3x. Then you're going to put the 3x right in front, right there, and then you're going to multiply these, and you're going to multiply the cubed root of 3x squared times the cubed root of x squared to the cubed root of 3x to the 4th. You can take 1x out of 3x cubed root 3x to the 4th. You can take 1x out of that, and your final answer is 3x squared cubed root 3x. It's your final answer.